season in North Carolina from July through October. Similar to watermelon, tomatoes get their bright red color from lycopene, which helps reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. They are also rich in vitamin C for an immune boost. Tomatoes are botanically actually a fruit, which means as part of a plant, they function to protect new seeds. When it comes to nutrition, you might hear them referred to as fruits or vegetables, but they're still a healthy addition to many meals whether you use them fresh or canned. Ripe tomatoes can be stored on your countertop at room temperature away from direct sunlight, where they will be at their best for about 5 days. Cut or cooked tomatoes should be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. When you're ready to eat, gently rinse the tomato under cool running water. There's no need to peel, so they'll be ready to prepare after this quick rinse. Tomatoes work well sliced for sandwiches, diced or cubed for salads, or quartered for a quick snack. Today I'll be making an easy tomato and cucumber salad. First, I rinsed all my vegetables. Next, I cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. I removed the seeds from my cucumber, but this is optional. Now it's time to put everything together. You like to enjoy tomatoes. If you'd like to learn more about FNEP, please contact your local Extension Center. Until next time!